How to fix MMS messaging option missing from iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app, scroll down, open the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone again, turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, scroll up, open the option Software Update. If any updates are available over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Likewise, head back, scroll down, click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset All Settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. Likewise, the very last thing you want to do is ask any of your friends to send you MMS message. Once you receive that, come to the main page of settings, scroll down, open the option Messages. Now scroll down, over here you will find the option of MMS messaging. And you have to toggle on for this option, with that you will be good to go. So this is how you can fix MMS messaging option missing from iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.